Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Do you see my friend Dog? Dog wants to eat some bones. This is Dog. Look at his ears. Look at his big eyes. He has big eyes. He wants to eat some bones. Which bone should Dog eat? He wants to eat this bone. He found a door. Dog found a door. Dog found a door in his bone. Door, door. Dog found a door. Okay, Dog wants another bone. Which bone should Dog choose? He likes this bone. What did you find, Dog? He found a duck. Dog found a duck. A duck. Dog found a duck. He wants more bones. More bones. What did you find, Dog? He found a doll. Dog found a doll. He found a doll in his bone. Doll, doll. Dog found a doll. 2 bones left. Oh, it's a dime. Dog found a dime. Dog found a dime. What are you going to buy with your dime, Dog? You have a whole dime. A dime. Last bone. What's in the bone? Oh, it's a man. It's a dad. You found a dad in the bone. A dad. You found a cowboy who is a dad. A dad. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.